Thank you. Today on Growing Idaho, if you are wondering if we're still in a housing crisis, you do not watch this segment enough. It's nearly all I talk about. But when I say we are still in a housing crisis, I'm not just talking about Idaho. Boise's Director of Housing and Homelessness Policy, Nikki Olivier Hellenkamp, knows the City of Trees is in a housing crisis, but so the Treasure and Magic Valleys, all of Idaho, and the entire nation.
I think it's important to recognize that the things that we are challenged with here really are all over the country, things that cities, counties, states are grappling with.
According to the National Low Income Housing Coalition, poor households face a housing shortage in every state and major metropolitan area in the country. There's a shortage of more than 7 million affordable and available rentals for households in poverty. That translates to only 35 of those rentals for every 100 households in poverty in the U.S. That number is slightly lower in Idaho, which ranks us in the worst 15 in the country. But that's not just the situation facing our lowest earners. Everyone making around or below the median income is facing a housing shortage. All that's to say the situation in our communities is not unique because the issues creating the housing crisis are nationwide.
The housing crisis is really driven by macroeconomic forces, right? Okay. That are, as we see people migrate, as we see interest rates rise and fall, as we see the construction labor market, respond to the needs or not respond to the needs, as we see challenges in terms of the cost of land and the cost of building materials. These things are all coming into play.
Now, I also asked Nikki if it was comforting that no one had figured out the housing crisis yet, or worrying that no one had figured out the housing crisis yet. And she said yes to both. If you want to watch our full conversation, it's on demand now at KTVB+. Coming up.